Hello everyone, welcome to the session introducing Oracle Key Vault. My name is Saikat Saha. I'm the product manager for Oracle Key Vault. It's a new offering from Oracle Database Security for centralizing keys, wallets, and Java key stores. Let's talk about Oracle Key Vault, a vault for your most vital secrets. I'll be happy to walk you through why we need a solution like Oracle Key Vault. First of all, let us understand the challenges with encryption and key management today. Then we will talk about how Oracle Key Vault as a centralized platform addresses those challenges in encryption and key management. We'll then talk about Oracle Key Vault deployment guidelines, and then we will wrap it up with a summary. Security threats and regulatory compliance require to protect sensitive information, personally identifiable information, healthcare records, and payment card data, and especially in the critical servers like database servers, storage servers, file servers. As the encryption deployment multiply, so do their keys, wallets, and Java key stores and other credential files. Now, as they proliferate, they pose a lot of challenges from management perspective as well as regulatory compliance perspective. To name a few, from a management perspective, constant proliferation of encryption wallets and keys. How do you share keys with servers? And then how do you ensure the availability of encryption keys? How do you retain keys for the long-term retention and recover those keys as and when you need them? And from a regulatory compliance, it comes in many forms, such as physical separation of keys from the encrypted data, periodic key rotation. How do you ensure that the access to the keys, the key lifecycle changes are monitored and audited? So as you can see, from both a management perspective and from a regulatory compliance perspective, there is a huge need for a centralized approach to management of keys, Oracle wallets, Java key stores, and credential files. Regulatory compliance comes in many forms, and there are regulations which categorically call out encryption and key management. So to take an example from PCI DSS version 3.0, and to note that PCI DSS is the global standard to protect payment card data. Now, PCI DSS version 3.0, section 3.5 and section 3.6 are as an example of key management. So 3.5 talks about storing cryptographic keys in a secure location in fewest possible location, and also how do you separate those keys from your encrypted data. Whereas 3.6 talks about periodic key rotation and key changes in your environment. Now, Verizon 2014 compliance reports that came up recently talks about 90% of the organizations fail their PCI audit just because they did not follow some of the sub-requirements like 3.5 and 3.6. Now, let's talk about how Oracle Key Vault as a solution, as a centralized platform to manage keys, encryption keys, wallets, and Java key stores addresses the challenges that we just talked. Oracle is excited to introduce Oracle Key Vault, which is a central platform to manage encryption keys across the enterprise. Now, this is optimized for Oracle Stack databases, middleware, and server systems, and Oracle Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption. Now, as you can see on the right hand side, I have Oracle Key Vault, and it supports primary and standby configuration for availability and disaster recovery. The primary and the standby appliances do not need to be on the same data center. They can be deployed on the same data center or in a different data center to support disaster recovery. Now, the appliance itself is packaged and configured as a full stack, security hardened software appliance. It has an embedded database, it has the operating system, and then on top of that, we have Oracle Key Vault as an application. we have several database security technologies to harden and provide the security of the keys and the configuration. It's a robust, secure, and standards compliant software appliance. It conforms to a standard called OASIS KMIP. KMIP stands for Key Management Interoperability Protocol. And as you can see on the left hand side, I have the entire Oracle stack. When it has different security solutions, you have encryption keys, it has SSL certificates or TLS certificates, it has server passwords. Some of them are packaged into the key storage files such as Oracle wallets, Java Keystores, or credential files. So Oracle Key Vault acts as a central repository of all these encryption keys, Oracle wallets, Java Keystores, and this facilitates, first of all, a secure storage of these sensitive security objects. It facilitates sharing of these encryption keys and Oracle wallets and Java Keystores with servers and in a clustered environment. It provides long-term retention of those sensitive key material. And then it also allows, whenever somebody is accessing those or retrieving those, it provides monitoring and auditing, and also retrieval of those when the key storage file is lost or the password is forgotten. Now let's dive a little bit deeper and talk about Oracle Key Vault, a high-level architecture. So in the center, I have Oracle Key Vault along with the primary and the standby configuration. And as I just mentioned, it's a primary and standby configuration to support availability and disaster recovery. And on the left and the bottom, I have various use cases that Oracle Key Vault supports, and also the different kinds of key material and key storage files that it can manage. So let's talk about the first use case. The first use case is it can read, itemize, and upload contents of Oracle wallets and Java Keystores. And when it uploads the content of the wallet, and then it allows or facilitates sharing of those Oracle wallet content and Java Keystore content with the trusted peers. Then the next use case is Oracle databases encrypted with Oracle Advanced Security TDE can directly connect with Oracle Key Vault to manage the TDE master key, thus eliminates the need of local wallet file. And the third case is the servers which have credential files, such as files containing SSH keys, Kerberos key tab files. These can be centrally backed up in Oracle Key Vault, again for long-term retention, future retrieval and recovery, and also to be able to share those with some servers. Now on the right-hand side, I have the administration console, where users and administrators of Oracle Key Vault will log in to perform system level operation, to perform day-to-day key management operation, and to view alerts and reports. And then key management is a mission critical operation. So you need to periodically and regularly back up Oracle Key Vault configuration data, including keys and secrets, into different locations. So system administrators of Oracle Key Vault can take a manual backup, or they can schedule an automatic backup which will automatically take a backup, and then it will encrypt that backup data and then transport it to a remote destination over a secure channel. Thus the backup is always protected. Many of you are aware of Oracle Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption to protect sensitive data in Oracle databases. Now let me walk you through how we have optimized Oracle Key Vault with Oracle Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption. Now as you can see here, I have various kinds of Oracle database deployment configurations. Oracle database can be deployed in a single instance or multiple databases on the same machine, or in clustered configurations such as RAC, Golden Gate, or DataGuard. Now when Oracle Key Vault works with Oracle Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption, there are two distinct scenarios that it can work with. First one is called Oracle Wallet Upload Download, that's depicted in this diagram. You have the databases, middleware, or application servers or other servers that communicate with Oracle Key Vault are known as Oracle Key Vault endpoints. Now, these endpoints have to be enrolled with Oracle Key Vault in order for them to centralize their keys and secrets. After you enroll, the endpoint software utility can read, itemize, and upload the contents of Oracle Wallet or Java Key Store or credential file to Oracle Key Vault. So one distinction here is in case of key storage files such as Wallet and Java Key Store, it uploads the content of the Wallet and Java Key Store to Oracle Key Vault. Whereas when it is uploading a credential file, is just uploading the entire credential file to Oracle Key Vault. The benefit of uploading the Wallet or Java Key Store and credential file, as I mentioned before, is that you are able to securely store those key storage files in Key Vault for long-term retention, and then you can download them or retrieve them as and when you need it, and you are able to share them with other servers as appropriate. So here Key Vault acts as a master storehouse of Oracle wallets. Wallets are used not just by databases, it's also used by Oracle middleware, where middleware is acting as client, a database client to the database server. And application servers which maintain Java Key Store, they can upload those Java Key Stores to Oracle Key Vault as well. Now the benefits of uploading the content of the wallet, the item by item, along with their metadata, is you still maintain the local copies of wallets, so it can still work in a disconnected mode. It does not need network connectivity with Oracle Key Vault all the time. It needs the connectivity with Oracle Key Vault only when it's uploading Oracle Wallet or Java Key Store or credential file, or you are downloading them. And then in a rack environment in particular, or in a database clustered environment, when you have multiple nodes, today you have to manage those copying the wallet manually from one node to the other node. Whereas in Oracle Key Vault, you have the facility that as an administrator of Key Vault, you can define how to share that wallet, and it can download, the other nodes in the cluster can download those wallets without the need of manual copy of wallet to other nodes in the database cluster. Now let's talk about how Key Vault is integrated with Oracle Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption direct connection scenario, which is the second scenario. Now as you can see, this is the same diagram as my previous slide, but few things have changed here. The wallets are changed with encryption keys, and these keys mean TD master keys. Now in this case, one thing to note here is that the solid connection between the endpoint and the Key Vault, so which means that it does need network connectivity from the endpoint, the database endpoint, to Oracle Key Vault. This scenario is supported with 11G-R2 and 12C without needing any database patching. One more thing to note here is that this is supported with Oracle Advanced Security with the same SQL interfaces. So nothing changes in terms of key rotation or in terms of your key store open close. The endpoint utility understands the semantics, and it automatically creates the key in Oracle Key Vault, and then Key Vault delivers the key over a secure channel to the database instances as and when it's needed. Now again, in the case of database clustered environment, this is really beneficial because the keys can be made available to all the nodes in the cluster almost instantaneously in real time. And this also has the benefit that this further simplifies the environment. It does not need the local wallet file either a local wallet file or an auto login wallet file or a local auto login wallet file on the database instances. So this further separates the distance between the encrypted data and the encryption key. As I mentioned in my regulatory compliance challenges, that many regulations require there is a physical separation between the encrypted data and the encryption key. This also helps in the encrypted data movement using different Oracle technologies such as Oracle Data Pump Export Import or Transportable Tablespace, where the source and the target database endpoints can use share the TDE master key without the need of manual copy of wallet that you have to do today. As you can see, we have done optimizations specifically for Oracle Database Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption with Oracle Key Vault, which provides immense benefit for the advanced security transparent data encryption deployments. Let's talk about how the endpoints are enrolled and provisioned with Oracle Database. But before I go into the steps, I'd like to mention the key constituents in this slide. So as you can see, on the right side I have Oracle Key Vault. On the left side I have a database with the log, so it has Oracle Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption deployed on it. In the center I have the computer monitor to denote this is the management console of Oracle Key Vault, where the administrators of Oracle Key Vault or the endpoint administrators such as DBA can log in to perform this enrollment and provisioning steps. Now, one thing to note here is that even though I have Oracle Database shown here as an endpoint, it can be an Oracle middleware which is uploading which is uploading an Oracle wallet, or it could be a middleware or an application server which is uploading a Java key store, or any other system server system which is uploading a credential file. Now, as a system administrator, first you log in to the management console of Oracle Key Vault to create or register an endpoint. And Oracle Key Vault automatically generates an one-time enrollment token. And then that enrollment token is out of band communicated by the system administrator to the endpoint administrator. And the endpoint administrator uses that enrollment token as an authentication mechanism to download the endpoint package or endpoint software package. Now, this software package is a self-contained package which contains the software binaries, it contains the configuration files, it also contains the TLS or SSL certificate, so that the endpoint can communicate with Oracle Key Vault over a mutually authenticated connection. And then the endpoint administrator performs the installation and configuration. It's a single command to install and configure, and as a result the endpoint certificates, binaries and configuration files are put in place on the endpoint, and the endpoint can perform a mutually authenticated connection with Key Vault, and then they can start uploading and downloading wallet, or they can start uploading and downloading Java key stores or credential files, or they can like the TDE master key or direct connection case, they are able to directly connect with Oracle Key Vault. And once this is done, the key administrator can log in to provide appropriate access control and enable sharing of that wallet with other servers. Now, as I mentioned before, Oracle Key Vault is packaged as a software appliance. So by software appliance, I mean this has the entire stack. So it has it's a turnkey solution based on hardened stack. It has Oracle Linux as the operating system, then it has Oracle Database on top of that, and then Oracle Key Vault as an application on top of that. Now, we have followed some hardening practices to harden the entire appliance by removing unnecessary packages, by blocking all the or disabling the services and the ports that are not required. This is a security hardened full stack software appliance. Now, we have also included various database security technologies to secure the keys and the secrets that Oracle Key Vault maintains. For example, Oracle, we have Oracle Advanced Security TDE to encrypt the keys that it holds in the embedded database. We have Database Vault, we have virtual private database in the inside the Oracle Key Vault to protect the data that's kept by Oracle Key Vault. Now, this is a software appliance, so customers can choose any x86 64 hardware platform and deploy it. In an environment where you need more throughput, you need many keys to be deployed or many endpoints to be managed, you can buy a beefy hardware, or if you choose, you can buy a commodity hardware. So the selection is up to the end user. It's very easy to install, configure, and deploy. It is packaged as an ISO image, so it can be installed and configured very easily. And the installment process lays down the entire system, including operating system, embedded database, and the application, with bare minimal input from the administrator who is installing it. The information that needs to be given are related to network configuration, related to the IP address, and then the administrator creation and the passwords are done through the first login management console page. Key Vault also supports separation of duty for administrative users. What it means is Key Vault provides a system administrator, key administrator, audit manager as a separation of duty. And this is a critical piece in many organizations, but for some organizations this is a very flexible design and architecture. For some organizations who do not need this physical separation of duty between administrators, they can choose one single administrator to perform all the three operations. And then it also provides full auditing, pre-configured reports and alerts. Auditing is done for the keys generated as the keys go through their life cycle phases. As keys are expired, you can put in a key expiration date, and then there will be an alert created for the keys that are going to expire and to initiate key rotation. There are some pre-configured reports for the access control, which endpoint has access to which wallets. So all these are provided through the management console for ease of management of this central platform. Now, let's switch gear a little bit and talk about Oracle Key Vault deployment guidelines. Now, as part of the deployment guidelines, I have categorized them into 4 different buckets. So first of all, from a deployment perspective, if you are deploying Oracle Key Vault with Oracle Advanced Security TDE endpoints, you start with Oracle upload download scenario first, and then migrate to TDE direct connection incrementally over time. Both wallet upload download and TDE direct connection are supported, but we anticipate that our end customers will start with wallet upload download scenario initially and then migrate to TDE direct connection over time. Now, if you are operating in the TDE direct connection scenario, we recommend that you always upload the existing wallet to Oracle Key Vault before you migrate to direct connection. And the reason being that the existing wallet contains all the historical TDE master keys, and you don't want to lose those TDE master keys, because if you lose those historical master keys, you will not be able to back up from a previously done backup with a previous TDE master key. So if you upload the existing wallet, you have a copy of all these historical TDE master keys. Now, from an availability perspective, as I mentioned before, key management is a mission critical operation. So you have to really ensure that the keys are always available, because if keys are not available, your vital business data is not available. So from an availability standpoint, you should always back up Oracle Key Vault periodically to a remote destination by scheduling through an automatic schedule. As a system administrator, you can log into Oracle Key Vault and define an automatic schedule to take the backup of Oracle Key Vault configuration data, keys, and secrets that it's holding to a remote destination. And you can do that automatic scheduling on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or monthly basis, or whatever suits your environment. And then always configure Oracle Key Vault in pair. As I mentioned before, Oracle Key Vault supports primary and standby configuration for availability and disaster recovery. Now, from a key rotation perspective, again, key rotation is a part of security best practices, and a lot of different regulation really recommends key rotation. So every time you perform key rotation, you should you basically update the local wallet file. So you should upload the wallet right after key rotation to Oracle Key Vault, so that you always have a copy of your latest Oracle wallet in a central place. And similarly, if Java Keystore content has been changed by either a key rotation or because a new key has been created, you should upload that Java Keystore to Oracle Key Vault. From an installation perspective, you should configure primary and standby appliances before you start enrolling the endpoints. The reason is when you enroll an endpoint and download the endpoint and configure, if you have not done primary and standby appliances before you enroll, the endpoint configuration is not aware of the primary and standby. So in case the primary fails, the endpoint is not aware of the standby server's configuration. So you should always configure primary and standby appliances before you start enrolling endpoint, so that the endpoint configuration is aware of both the primary and the standby server's details. So in case primary fails, endpoint is able to contact the standby and retrieve the keys. Credential file upload. When you are uploading a credential file, you can always use a human readable and meaningful description labels, and these labels are visible from the management console. So it really facilitates in future tracking and ease of identification at a later time. So these are some of the high-level deployment guidelines for Oracle Key Vault. Now let's summarize the features and benefits of Oracle Key Vault. So first of all, Oracle Key Vault is a modern, scalable, and robust key management platform. It secures, shares, and manages keys and secrets in the enterprise. It manages common key storage files such as Oracle Wallets and Java Keystores. And this is optimized for Oracle databases with Oracle Advanced Security Transparent Data Encryption. This is a unique solution that centralizes advanced security TDE master keys, Oracle wallets, Java Keystores, and credential files. And it's a turnkey, secure software appliance with proven Oracle technology. This is based on open standards such as OASIS KMIP, Key Management Interoperability Protocol, and this is engineered for Oracle Stack. Thank you very much for attending the session today on Oracle Key Vault. I hope this was helpful. My name is Saikat Saha. I'm the product manager for Oracle Key Vault. For further information, you can go to oracle.com database security or oracle.com tech network database security. We also have blogs at blogs.oracle.com key management. Again, Oracle Key Vault is a new offering from Oracle Database Security. This is a central platform, central management platform to manage encryption keys, Oracle wallets, Java Keystores, and credential files. Oracle Key Vault is a vault to manage your most vital secrets. Thank you very much.